This is precious. Little Baja. Oh, good girl. Mommy's gonna see the video and see her feeding Baja and then eating with the same hand. Oh, nummy. Germs are good for you, aren't they, Skylee? Yeah, they make you strong when you're older. Mmm. Good girl. What a nice girl to feed Papa Kyler.
Just drop it. Just drop it. There you go. Watermelon?
Watermelon.
You should go get high chair, huh?
Mmm.
High chair?
Mmm. Oh, big watermelon.
Bite.
Oh, there's my Red Stewart going now.
Thank you. Alright. Give me 5. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay, you want down? Ba. Where's Bob? Where's Bob? Okay, that's okay. Yay! Clap your hands.
Why don't we stomp our feet? If you're happy and
You go down and stomp your feet. There you go, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
She wants more popcorn, Papa Kyler.
Oh.
Oh, back up in the lap.
That's probably enough popcorn, huh?
Nice girl.
If you're happy and you know it, cover your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, cover your eyes.
Nice girl.
wanna show it if you're happy and you know
Just
it.
drop it. Just drop it. Just drop it. There you go.
Thank you. Baha says thank you.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Just drop it. Just drop it.
And you know
Yeah, let Baha pick it up. No, just drop
Thank
it.
you.
Just drop it.
you know it.
Did you hear that?
Let's do one more, okay? Okay. If you're happy and you know it, do one more.
What a nice girl you are.
Peek-a-boo, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do one more. Peek-a-boo, hooray! If
Here,
you're
just drop
happy
it.
and you know it,
Whoa!
you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, do one more. Peek-a-boo, hooray!
Mmm.
There's lots of marvelous things to eat, wonderful things to play.
Hey, baby, hey, check.
Is that yummy watermelon? Is that yummy watermelon?
Next time for
Nummy for Skylee.
little teddy bears are happy.
That's nummy for Skylee.
Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holiday. See them gaily gad about. They love to play and shout. They never have any care. At 6 o'clock, their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed because they're tired little teddy bears.
Skylee. Hey Skylee. Hey Skylee. Are you trying to get the camera? Okay, that's all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.